Okay, so let's look at how we could divide something like x squared plus 2 by x plus 1. Okay, so starting out, we'll put x plus 1 as the divisor out here. And then when we write our dividend here, the thing we're dividing, we need to add a spacer because we're missing that single power of x. So add in, so we'll have x squared, and add in a 0x plus 2. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make the x squared and the x match. So we need to multiply the x by x to get an x squared. So we multiply x times x plus 1. That'll give us x squared plus x. So that's what we put down here. And then we are going to subtract that. So x squared minus x squared cancels those out. 0x minus 1x. So that's like 0 minus 1. That gives us minus x. Okay, now we need to match. Well, first we should bring down our 2. Now we need to match the x here to the minus x. That just requires multiplying by a negative 1. So if we multiply negative 1 times x plus 1, we get negative x minus 1. So we bring our negative x minus 1 down here. And we're subtracting those things. So we could maybe think of this as, so we're subtracting a negative in each case. That's essentially going to flip the sign there. So that's the same as adding x to the negative x, that makes a 0. And then adding a 1 to the 2 to make 3. And then our remainder is 3. To write our final answer, we just need to add the 3 divided by the divisor for the remainder term. And that will be our final answer.